Good morning, everybody. I am spiritual tourist from Pondicherry, going to Chidambaram Nadaraja temple from Mayavaram. Now, Mayavaram called as Mailadurai. Mayavaram was a taluk of Nagapattinam district. It was carved out from Nagapattinam as a district 2020. Usually, I am traveling from Pondicherry, but today I am traveling from Mailadurai. Chidambaram temple located at a distance of 44 kilometers from Mailadurai. Chidambaram is situated in Kadalur district. Chidambaram was capital of Pallavas. Now I reached to Chidambaram. This video ends here. We'll come back soon with the next video. Thank you. Bye.